Hi there, Falcons. Welcome to another week of distance learning. So, for the week, I know yesterday was a fantastic day. It was Victoria Day, so there was no online assignment. But today, you're going to be introduced to a fantastic interactive journey about our solar system. By the end of the week, I just want you to do a very simple CYU form. Check your understanding. And this one depends on how far you have gone through your readings in the interactive. So in Google Classroom, this is what you see. So we are still on the month of May, and hopefully the interactive will last us through the end of the month or even the first week of June. But in any case, so you are going to use two attachments here. This one, the interactive, you can view that. This one, each one has a copy so that you can individually fill in the answers as you go through the interactive. And there is a reminder here. So from the main menu in the interactive, I just want you to navigate or click only about the sun, the planets, the asteroid belt, and the Kuiper belt. Now, you don't have to do the solar system model, don't do that, as well as the planet probe. Do not do that also. Okay? So, what is the copy of the CYU form all about? So, it's check your understanding, and it's kind of familiar. Hopefully, it's familiar to you. Remember when we usually do the Bill Nye movie clips? This is what you fill out. Exactly the same. Now, the second page might pose a challenge because it's difficult to draw manually, right? Or add colors digitally. So, what you can do would be to be creative, cut and paste relevant and interesting, informative pictures from the internet. But as always, please cite your credits or your sources of information. Now, you can also put in your own pictures, or maybe you made a drawing on a piece of paper, take a picture, and then attach it from here, and that's also okay with me. Or maybe interesting a video clip. I have here an exemplar from Miss Valorin. You can check on that later on. So this is what you're going to fill out as you go on reading or as you go through navigating through the interactive. So the interactive is this once you click on it. So this is what you see, and it is a must that you click on this presentation mode. Do not click it one by one on the side because that won't flow. An interactive should be that. It flows, you click on a certain button or choice and it jumps. So it's just like a modified view of a hyperlink. So if I click on presentation mode here, so you do that also on your end, you're presented with this screen about our solar system. And there's the big arrow here. You can't fail to miss it. So click that to start. And initially you have here kind of like a silent movie. I just want you to just view it, or if not, you can watch it later. So let's see what we have here. I can click on watch later. Let me just move through, okay? And then you are now presented with the main menu. So this is now the heart of your navigation experience. So as mentioned earlier, you don't have to do the solar system model or even the planet probe. I want you to dive in right away into the introduction, the sun, the planets, and the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. Now, it says here it is recommended, although you can always revisit the topics as you see fit. The order of the planets is the recommended mode of navigating through the topics here. And they are in the order of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Or you can have a mnemonic, right? My very, so that would be my very educated mom just served us nachos or noodles. So that's one way of remembering really the order of the planets. So if I click on introduction, oh, before I forget, there's also check your understanding the quiz. You can also do that after reading through everything. So introduction, if I click on that, now this is now going to be a feature of most of the slides here. There's a short video clip on the left side and then a learning check question. So here, for instance, which of these best describes Jovian planets? You can only know what Jovian planets are after clicking on the short video clip here. Let's say you just made a wild guess. What happens? Oh, it would say, nope, you mess up, try again, okay? And then you go back. So this is now the back key. Of course, it is immense in size with multiple moons. Oh yes, we have a smart cookie here, okay? So here, again, go back and then you go on. Now, notice you have here at the bottom another arrow, smaller arrow here. Click that and you would be presented. You're still on the introduction part. The solar system, it says here, includes the sun and all of the planets, moons, asteroids, dwarf planets, meteors, and all other objects that orbit the sun. Orbit means it goes around the sun. Now, collectively, all of this mentioned things here, we can use the word cosmic. So these are all cosmic objects. Sun, all the planets, moons, asteroids, dwarf planets, meteors, and all the other objects, okay? Now, moving on. So part of the introduction, again, there's a short video clip, the learning chat, and then finally you are onto the star. So there's this wonderful visual here about the sun, a lot of information on the left side, and then you click on and on more information. So I hope you're liking it so far, right? So, and then after that, you are into Mercury. The same run of things. Again, a short video clip and then learning check questions. So I won't go through the entire set of planets or even the Kuiper belt or the asteroid belt. The thing is, I hope you find this interesting. And let's say, oh, I want to go back. And then that's the time when you can always just use the side by here on the left. And then you can just go up if you want or go up and down. And till you get to the set of menu again. So the main menu. So maybe you want to go there, you can always be here and then click on presentation again. And then maybe there's something that interested you and then go for that. Maybe you wanted to see the Kuiper belt. So this is the Kuiper belt. Now, on the CYU form, it depends now on how far you have gone through. Maybe you just gave yourself 2 days to just navigate through or read through. And then maybe you would want to talk about the sun, the Kuiper belt, maybe Mother Earth, why not? Maybe only three cosmic objects. So that's what you're going to write under the video clip form. So it depends on how far you have gone through for the week. Because I wanted to see if you could just hand the assignment, this CYU form, by the end of the week, Friday, and then that would be awesome. Other than that, I will not fault you on that because I know it's kind of tough, right? Doing the assignments now. If I look at my window here, the sun is shining. I mean, time to get out, right? Refresh ourselves. So I could not fault you on that. But I hope the interactive journey on the solar system is going to be interesting for you. Okay, so that's it for me, people, and take care of yourself. And ciao for now. Bye bye.